Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Fix Cloudflare WARP CF Happy Eyeballs MITM failure error. First method is run commands one by one. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Network and Sharing Center. Change DNS server address to 1.1.1.1.0.0.1.
I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.